Imagine if a single candle could change your life. Sounds like magic? But it's not just a beautiful phrase. Since ancient times, people have used the power of fire and sacred light to achieve incredible success, attract good luck, and bring money into their lives. Have you ever wondered why so many successful people like to surround themselves with candles? Today, I'll share with you not only how it works, but also how you can use this simple item in your home to attract success and financial prosperity. In this video, you will learn which candles to choose, when to light them, and most importantly, how to tune your mind to the frequency of success so that money flows to you like a river. Don't miss out on these secrets that have helped people worldwide radically change their lives. Stay with me until the end. You'll be amazed at how simple and powerful it is. The light of a candle has been a symbol of energy and purification since ancient times. A candle is not just a source of light. It's a powerful energetic tool that our ancestors used to attract luck, protection, and of course, money. You've probably noticed how a candle creates a special atmosphere, calm, peaceful, yet energizing. This is the very effect we will discuss today. The first important thing to understand: not every candle can help with financial success. There are a few simple but essential rules to follow. For example, it's best to use green candles. Why green? This color has been a symbol of abundance, growth, and prosperity for centuries. When you light a green candle, you are opening a channel for wealth energy to flow into your life. The second rule is timing. Not every moment is suitable for this ritual. The best time to light a candle to attract money is during the new moon. During this time, nature itself renews, and by tapping into the power of the new moon, you can start a new cycle in your life, inviting new opportunities and wealth. However, the candle itself is only part of the ritual. What's most important is the intention with which you perform this process. When you light the candle, you need to focus on your goals, on what you want to achieve. Speak your goal aloud, but do it sincerely, with belief in the outcome. For example, if your goal is to earn a specific amount of money, visualize it. Imagine the money in your hands. Feel the joy of having it. Many successful people admit that the key to their success is not only hard work, but also inner energy and belief in themselves. The flame of the candle helps you focus on this energy. Every time you gaze at the flame, imagine how it amplifies your abilities, attracts new opportunities, projects, and opens doors that were once closed. You can enhance the ritual by writing down your goal on a piece of paper and placing it under the candle. This paper will symbolize your intention, and each time you light the candle, you are activating the energy aimed at achieving your goal. After completing the ritual, you can burn the paper, imagining that your desires are spreading out into the universe and returning to you as real opportunities and wealth. The location of your candle is also crucial. According to Feng Shui, the area that governs wealth is in the southeast part of your home. Place your candle there to amplify the flow of financial energy into your life. You can even place a small figurine symbolizing money next to the candle for added effect. But be careful. Lighting a candle with thoughts of greed or envy is a path to nowhere. Candles, like all energy work, function only on positive intentions. If your desire is not just to earn money, but to improve your life and help others, this energy will return to you in abundance. People who use candles with good intentions always receive more than they expect. But what if you don't have a green candle? Don't worry. You can use a simple white candle. White represents purity and universal energy. By lighting a white candle, you purify the space around you and prepare it for the arrival of something new, including financial prosperity. It's also important to remember that a candle is not a magic wand. It is a tool that helps you on an energetic level, but physical action is still required. After the ritual, You must actively work towards your goals, seek opportunities, and take action. Only then will the candle become a real ally in your journey towards success. Maria's story is a perfect example of how candles helped change a life. She lit a green candle every time she started a new project. She visualized success, wrote her goals on paper, and believed in the result. Within a year, she received new contracts, tripled her income, and opportunities began flowing in one after another. The candle became a symbol of growth and success for her. Another example is Anton. When he faced financial difficulties, he turned to ancient candle rituals. He lit candles, focused on his goals, and soon received an offer that elevated his business to a new level. Anton believes that the power of the candle helped him align with success and attract new opportunities. If you haven't tried using candles to attract money yet, now is the perfect time. Simply take a candle, light it, and set your intention for success. Whether your goals are big or small, with the right mindset and the energy of fire, you can achieve great things. Believe in yourself, take action, and results will come. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss new fascinating videos about using the hidden power of everyday objects for success and well-being. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this ritual, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts or stories. If this video reaches 5,000 likes, I'll release a detailed video on how to calculate your financial code using numerology and transform your life. Don't miss out on these secrets that can help you achieve financial freedom. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.